Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class maths, quadratic equations. Earlier I have done finding out solutions of the quadratic equations by prime factorization method. Now today we are going to do a second method, that is completing square method. So what is it? Let us see. As an example, I am taking it is x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Carefully observe, children, how this method has to be done. What you need to do is this constant term, send it to the right side. That means x square plus 4x is equal to plus 4 when it comes here minus 4. After writing this left side, you need to get it in the form of a formula of expansion of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square expansion is what? If you write a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula you know. So basing on this, here actually in LHS what do you have? You have x square, you have 2ab. Only these two forms are there, but b square is not there. You need to find out b square. To find out b square, what you have to do? First, you need to find out what is b. So, to find out b, let us see how we have to do. This is a square, we said, so x whole square. That means what? This a square, a value is x. We have got. Plus, this should be written as 2 into, in the place of a you are writing x, but what is b? We don't know. What should be written here? B place we don't know. See, 2 is in the formula. A, you have got, this is A, you have written, but what is this? This you should know. How will you know this? What you need to do is, this 4x you have to take and divide it by this 2x. Easy way I am trying to explain you children. Otherwise, in some problems you may find it difficult how to select a B. So, understand the procedure properly. This divided by 2x. So, x and x will get cancelled. 2 2s are. I have got 2. That means what? Here I should take 2. If I take 2, 2 2s are 4 into x, 4x I am getting. That means b value is 2. I have got this b value. Now what I should write? I should make it b square I should write. Then only I can write it in the form of a plus b whole square. Where our procedure is completing square method. So we need to make a square of it on the LHS. So what you need to do? You have to find out what is b square. When you have come to know that b is 2, then definitely b square is 2 square. Now, in fact, children, this is equal to minus 4. In fact, what you have done is, this is given in the problem. This is also given in the problem, but it is not given in the problem. But you have added it. When you have added something to the LHS, we need to add the same thing in the RHS also. If you don't do it, what happens? The balancing will go. You are doing harm to the given problem, which we don't have any right. We cannot change the given problem. Remember, we can only manipulate the given problem so that we will be getting solution. So manipulation is different from changing. So I am manipulating the problem. How am I doing it? I have understood that b is this. So if I have b square, I can write it in the form of a plus b whole square. But when I take b square here, b square is something extra which I have taken on LHS. Since I have taken this as in LHS, I should take the same thing in RHS also. Now balancing is clear. So this can be written as x plus 2 whole square it is equal to minus 4, and this is plus 4. So what are you getting? X plus 2 whole square is minus 4 plus 4 means I can cancel these two. So x plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. So what is x plus 2? X plus 2 becomes 0. So what is x? X is equal to minus 2. This is the answer. This is the answer when x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x value is 2 is the answer for this. Now let me do the same thing here by taking minus 4. Suppose you have got the same problem as x square plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. What I should do? X square plus 4x is equal to 4. Now here again x whole square plus 2 into x into this already I have done, that is 2. So plus 2 square, same explanation children, that is why I am not giving plus 2 square here, plus 2 square here. That means this is x plus 2 whole square is equal to 4 plus 4. That means x plus 2 whole square, you are getting it as 8. So what is x plus 2? Plus or minus root 8? Plus or minus root 8 can be written as plus or minus 2 root 2. Why is it? 8 can be written as 2 4s are 2 2s are. So instead of 2 2s, 1 2 can be taken out in the root. So I have taken out 1 2. So only 1 2 is here in root 2. So x you want, send this minus 2 there, plus 2 other side minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. This is the answer. X value is minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. Or you can even write it as minus 2, you can take 2 as common or minus 2 as common. If you take minus 2 into 1 plus or minus root 2, you can write. 2 ones are 2 minus. Here I am minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. Both you are getting. So anyway, you can take it as an answer, children. So your main task in this problem is identifying B. So how to identify B? You take yes, this always you should see that here you will be getting only x square. How to change it, I am going to teach you in the next example. So here if you have x square only, in the place of here you can take x. If you can take x here, 2x is there. From this you have to divide 2x. Why? 4x by 2x if you do, you will be getting what is b value. Because 2 into a into b is this. We have 2 into a. What is b? What is b? How will you get? This divided by this, if you do, you'll get b. If you got the b, then b square. Whatever you are adding here, the same thing you have to add it here, and you have to proceed with the problem. Don't forget this, children. This method is very, very important method. Usually in the examination, they will give you find the roots of the given quadratic equation by method. Suppose they have given prime factorization method, you have to go for prime factorization method. By completing square method, you have to go for it. You have got next formula method. If they ask by using the formula, you are going to do with the help of the formula. So which method they have asked, you should do in that method only. If you do something else, your marks will not be calculated. That will be wrong because you are not using the proper method which is asked in the question paper. So all the methods you should know thoroughly well, children. Please note it down. Now let us see another problem. See here, 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here there is a coefficient for x square, that is 3. I told you in the earlier video, what did I say? Here only x square should be there. In the earlier problem I said this. You should not have any coefficient. I also said that if there is coefficient, what you need to do, I will tell. So now this is the example where you have got a coefficient for x square. So if you have a coefficient for x square, whatever be the coefficient, you should divide the entire equation with that coefficient. Coefficient is 3. So on dividing both the sides by 3. You have to divide by 3. That means each and every element on the left side should be divided by 3. So you'll write 3x square by 3 minus 5x by 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. So here 3 and 3 will get cancelled. You are getting x square minus 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. So first and foremost thing is send this the other side. That is x square minus 5 by 3x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now on sending here, the formula which you are going to get is x square minus 2ab plus b square. So either you'll get it in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is in this form it is. So there is minus means minus 2ab. So x will be written as x whole square minus 2 into x into, now again a big question mark for this. What you have to do, I told you earlier, whatever is this, that is 5 by 3x should be divided by 2x. So of course x's will get cancelled. You are getting 5 by 3 into 2 means 2 by 1. You'll get 1 by 2, that is 5 by 6. So you will be having 5 by 6 here. So b is 5 by 6. So you should add 5 by 6 whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is equal to, take minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6 whole square. So this is in the form of a minus b. X minus 5 by 6 whole square is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 25 by 36. 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. So let us continue. What you need to do it here. X minus 5 by 6 whole square is equal to, LCM you take 36. 3 12s are 12 2s are 24. So minus 24 because you have minus 24 plus 25. So x minus 5 by 6 whole square is equal to 1 by 36. So what is x minus 5 by 6? X minus 5 by 6 is equal to plus or minus root of 1 by 36. That means x minus 5 by 6 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 6. 36, 6 6 are 36. So let us continue. What is x? X is equal to minus 5 by 6. When it comes here, 5 by 6 plus or minus 1 by 6. Now if x is equal to 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6, then this is equal to 6 is LCM, 5 plus 1, that is 6 by 6, that is equal to 1. Okay, if x is equal to 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6. Why did I take so? Here plus or minus. That means either you have to take plus value or minus value. With plus 1 answer you will be getting, with minus 1 answer you will be getting. So here 6 you will be getting 5 minus 1. That is 4 by 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1 or 2 by 3. This is the answer sheet. So, Earlier I did not continue this because with plus or minus I have stopped here only because it was having root. But here you can simplify it, so I have done it, children. Please note it down. Now example 6. Example 6 is find the roots of the equation 5x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0 by the method of completing square. By the method of completing square, see, very clearly they have mentioned this method. If this is mentioned, you have to go for this method only. So the problem is 5x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. So you have coefficient 5. So on dividing both the sides by 5. On dividing both the sides by 5, 5x square by 5 minus 6 by 5x minus 2 by 5 is equal to 0. So these two will get cancelled. X square minus 6 by 5x minus 2 by 5 is equal to 0. So here x square minus 6 by 5x is equal to 2 by 5. Why? Minus, when it goes there, it becomes a plus. So x will be written as x whole square minus 2 into x into, now what is b? So 6x by 5, 6x by 5 should be divided by 2x. So this will be cancelled. So 6 by 5 into 1 by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 threes are. You are getting it as 3 by 5. So B is 3 by 5. So this plus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 whole square. I hope I am clear, children. Don't forget how it has to be done. Now let us see the next part of it. The next part, this can be written as x minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 2 by 5 plus 9 by 25. 3 square by 5 square, 9 by 25. That means here LCM 25, 5 5s are 5 2s are 10, and here this is a minus 2 by 5, no, in the problem. Okay, so 2 5 5s are 5 2s are 10 plus 9. That means how much I am getting? 19 by 25. So 19 by 25, let me write it here. Oh, below it I'll write. So x minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 19 by 25. That is x minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 10 plus 9 is 19 by 25. So what is x minus 3 by 5? Root of 19 by 25 plus or minus. That means x minus 3 by 5 is equal to plus or minus root 19 by 5 I can write, because for 25 it is a perfect square number, so I can take out for 25 out root 19. So here x is equal to what? Minus 3 by 5 when it comes here, 3 by 5 plus or minus root 19 by 5. So let us continue this. Here x is equal to, here LCM you can take as 5 and 3 plus or minus root 19. That means x is equal to 3 plus root 19 by 5 or 3 minus root 19 by 5. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now example 7. Find the roots of 4x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 by method of completing square. So here again, see 4 is there, so on dividing both the sides by 4. What am I getting? 4x square by 4 plus 3x by 4 plus 5 by 4 is equal to 0. So 4 will get cancelled. X square plus 3x by 4 plus 5 by 4 is equal to 0. This can be written as x square plus 3x by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 4. So a square, this can be written as a whole square plus 2 into x into, you don't know what it is, this you have to find out. 2 into a into b. Then you can go for b square. So 3x by 4 divided by 2x. Always we will be dividing by 2x only, children, here. So what am I getting? 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, that is 3 by 8. So here it is 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8 whole square is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 8 whole square. That means x plus 3 by 8 whole square is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 9 by 64. 8 into 8, 8 is 64. So, let me continue. X plus 3 by 8 whole square is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 9 by 64. So, let me take LCM as 64. 4 uh, 4 and 64, 4 16 no? 4 16, the 16 4s are 64. So 4 into 16, 16 5s are 80, minus 80 plus 9 you are getting. Minus 80 plus 9, that is x plus 3, x plus 3 by 8 whole square is equal to minus 71 by 64. See, if you want x plus 3 by 8, you have to write plus or minus root of minus 71 by 64. But see here, children, for negative values, there is no root. You cannot find any square root for negative values. So we will be saying that there is no square root for negative values. Therefore, the given equation has no solutions. There are no solutions for this given equation. Why? Because here you have got that. Then even if I send it the other side also, it is of no use because it is not possible to get an answer for it. Then further problem you cannot solve it. So with this you can stop and you can say that there is no roots for this given equation. I hope I am clear, children. That means what are you understanding with these problems? There are certain quadratic equations which are having two solutions. There are certain quadratic equations which may have only one solution, and there are certain quadratic equations which do not have any solutions. So if they don't have any solutions, they end up like this. If you are using this method, completing square method, they end up here with a root of some negative value. Root of some negative values is not possible to get it. So we will be saying that there are no roots for the given equation. So please note it down. Example 7. Now do these sums, children. In this, do these sums. First one is x square minus 10x plus 9. Solve the equations by completing square methods. And this is the first problem. Here, the coefficient of x square is 1 only. So we can take it directly. So x square minus 10x is equal to minus 9. This can be written as x whole square minus 2 into xa into something. So what it is? Divide 10x by 2x. How much are you getting? 5. So b is 5. When you have got b5 plus 5 whole square is equal to minus 9 plus 5 whole square. So this can be written as x minus 5 whole square is equal to minus 9 plus 5 5s are 25. That means x minus 5 whole square is equal to, see, 25 minus 9 is 14. Sorry, not 14. 5 means 16. 16 if you take, uh, 25 minus 9 is 16 you are getting. So what is x minus 5? Is plus or minus root 16. 16 means what is x minus 5? Plus or minus 4. 4 4s are 16. So what is x? 5 plus or minus 4. So if x is equal to 5 plus 4, then this is equal to 9. If x is equal to 5 plus 4, it becomes 9. If x is equal to 5 minus 4, this is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 9 or 1. These are the answers for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now, second bit is x square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. That means x square minus 5x is equal to minus 5. X whole square minus 2 into x into something again. 5x by 2x. What am I getting? 5 by 2. So I should write it here as 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 5 plus 5 by 2 whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 5 plus 25 by 4. X minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to LCM is 4 minus 20 plus 25. So what is x minus 5 by 2 whole square? This is equal to 5 by 4. So what is x minus 5 by 2 whole square? X minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus or minus root of 5 by 4. That means x minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus or minus root 5 by 2. Why? Because 4 is a perfect square. 5 is not a perfect square. So 5 should be written under the root. So what is x? Minus 5 by 2 when it goes here plus 5 by 2 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So LCM is 2. 5 plus or minus root 5. So here you can take the answer if x is equal to 5 plus root 5 by 2. This means x, don't write if otherwise. X is equal to 5 plus root 5 by 2, or you can even write it as 5 minus root 5 by 2. These two will be the answers for this bit, children. This is second bit. Please note it down. Now third bit. Third bit is x square plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. That means x square plus 7x is equal to 6. Minus 6 has become 6. So x square means x whole square plus 2 into x into something. How will you get that? 7x by 2x. You are getting 7 by 2. So here 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2 whole square is equal to 6 plus 7 by 2 whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square, is equal to 6 plus 49 by 4. So x plus 7 by 2 whole square is equal to 4 is LCM. That is how much you are getting? 6 4s are 24 plus 49. That means x plus 7 by 2 whole square is equal to 1373 by 4. Okay? 73 by 4 you are getting. Now, what is x plus 7 by 2 is nothing but plus or minus root of 73 by 4. That means x plus 7 by 2 is equal to plus or minus root 73 by 2. So what is x? X is equal to minus 7 by 2 plus or minus root 73 by 2. That means LCM, if you take 2, minus 7 plus or minus root 73. So you can write x is equal to, therefore x is equal to minus 7 plus root 73 by 2 or minus 7 minus root 73 by 2. These two are the answers for this problem, children. Please note it down. This is third bit of do this sum. With this, I am going to conclude my topic. Next part I will do in the next video.